G'day, this is Jason here from 4XPipSnager 2.0. Today is Friday, January 12th, 2018. I do want to apologize. Yesterday I didn't get the time to shoot the video, so I'm now shooting it today on Friday. So anyway, I just want to first say, if you can, please hit the like button underneath this video and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And the next time I shoot a video, you'll get that video right away. So they're going to continue. I enjoy doing this and helping my Forex PipSnagers to get better at trading the Forex currency market. So anyway, let's take a look at our first pair. We're looking at the pound yen 15-minute chart. We got to go back a few days now. This is Friday. You can see we just had a new spike here at 8:30. Let's go back in time here a little bit. So, right here is Wednesday. We already covered Tuesday, as you can see right here. So, over here, you can see we would be looking to buy here, right? Okay, but it didn't. It showed the trade here. If you did the trade. Okay, I don't like to trade at this block of time right here. I like to trade more so when it moves in the middle, which is the start of the UK and the US. That's when I like to trade. But this is a yen pair, so you can, trade at these times if you want to. I don't like to trade it, but anyway. So it cleared through right here, and it didn't really go anywhere. So anyway, if you bought right here in a dip, it only went up like 10 pips, and then it came down and it told you to get out. So you would have lost, 15 pips or so. If you waited for it to come back up here, well, you lost 46 pips. Okay, and then because we were looking to buy because it came down and came down, we were looking to buy here. Okay, but they still wanted to trend it down, which they did. So what I like to do, if I lose on one way and it looks like it's going to go the other way, I get short. I get out of my loss here, then I go short, and it's 55 pips at the top. I try and get my loss back plus a profit. And as you can see, it went down like 160 pips. You definitely could have got your losses back on this trade plus a profit. Okay, so now once again, as it came down here, we're looking to buy. Okay, so right in here, you would have drew your line right here, gave the gap right here, told you to buy. It only went up 28 pips, and your stop was like 29 pips, so you would have got it. And then they took it down, and then they took it up, and then they took it down. It was just a choppy, lousy day. Okay, and then today, we're still looking to buy, okay, and right here, okay, this is where it told you to do the buy. If you would have bought, right there. If this would have scared you out of the trade, well, you lost, you got break even. Then once again, it told you, once we broke through, okay, this here, okay, this resistance right here, and it did it right here with this bullish candle, then pulled back, you would have got long right here, and as you can see, it went up 180 pips today. Okay, let's take a look at the pound dollar. Okay, we're covering 3 days here. They did a flip-flop on Wednesday, so if you did sell right here, your stop would have been 20 pips, and you would have got 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. Now, right here, I would have not bought in here. It went up too far, too fast, what I like to call it, that big, long, bullish candle. I would have not done that trade. You already would have done this first trade, and that's it. Okay? Then yesterday, let's see, what would have we been looking to do? Well, it's just basically chop down. So you would have been looking to buy. Okay? So on yesterday, you would have been looking to buy. You would have bought in right here, and as you can see, it went up 50 pips. Okay, and once again, the trend continued and went up. another 100. Okay, that's on the pound dollar. Let's look at the yen, the very choppy yen. So let's go back 3 days to here. As you can see, just looking to sell, looking to sell. Now by this time I'd probably be looking to buy, and sure enough, it gave you a fake out right here. Okay, right here, this candle cleared through, but really it cleared through this resistance, but then there was more resistance right here. Didn't clear through that, so I wouldn't have done that trade. And then there's more resistance right up here. See, I would have waited for it to clear through this resistance up here, then pull back, then get in, and it didn't do that. So I wouldn't have got into this trade because of support, of resistance. Okay, major resistance close by. So then it came down. If you were, still a bearish on this pair, well, right in here somewhere, you would have got short, and look, it went down 130 pips. But I myself, the way I trade PipSnager, I was looking to buy it, not sell it, okay? I was looking to sell it over here, but not over here today, okay? And then today, yesterday, I was looking to buy it. So would have bought it right here. Let me draw that line right here. It's an angle this time. Right there. See it? That's our resistance. So right here, it broke up through it, came back down, boom, went up 42 pips. You would have got your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. And then for those of you who would have been looking to sell it, I wouldn't have been looking to sell it here so soon. I would want to see it go up higher before I look to sell it. It only went up 50 pips here. I would like to see it go up 100 before I look to sell it. You follow what I'm saying? Okay? And then down here, you can see this turned into this mess here. It would have just told you, just leave it alone. Don't even touch it. And sure enough, because, and even the indicator, look at the indicator down here. All these baby blue dots told you, do not trade. Okay? And after you see that, it tells you, just leave it alone, because you don't know if they're going to fake it out, do a buy fake or a sell fake. And that's what they did. That's exactly what they did, to fool you. Because that's what they like to do. So let's take a look at gold now. Okay, let's look at gold. So let's go back to Wednesday. Here's Wednesday. So basically chopped and went sideways in this range. That's why I have a line here and a line here. Finally it broke out here on Wednesday, but it didn't really go anywhere. Okay, so then on here's Wednesday. I would be looking to buy it because it came down. It went sideways, then it came down, even though it didn't come down a lot out of there, 62 pips. But I would still be looking to buy it because they took it to the downside. And you know how they want to take it back up to the upside just to keep you guessing, because that's what they do. So I would have got long right here, and up it went 140 pips, and the stop was 54 pips. And now you see, once again, look at this crap in here. Went sideways again, right? So because it went up 140 pips, I'd like to see it come down much more than this. It came down 130 pips actually, yeah. So I guess I'd be looking to buy it, right? So we're looking to buy it right here. But let's see, what do we got here? No, wouldn't have bought it there because of the resistance. And then how about here? You got more resistance still. Oh, come on. There, draw that line right across there. You can see it. Would have not bought until right here, till this big blue candle right here told me to buy it. So I would have bought it here, and as you can see, it went up 125 pips. And now, just now, the news spiked it down, and now it's retracing back up. This is where you'd look to sell right here, ladies and gentlemen. This is a trade right here happening right now. If you wanted to trade it, that is. It's 9:21 in the morning. So anyway, that's pretty much it for the setup. So once again, this is Jason Sweezy here. With Forex PipSnager 2.0. please hit the like button, please subscribe, and if you haven't picked up your copy yet, I urge you to do so. Please click on the link below and you can pick up your copy. I just want to tell a little tidbit here today to my few PipSnaggers in my community. Whether you believe this or not, it's a true story. But anyway, I just want to leave you with, back in 2011, my business partner at the time that would do the websites for me, okay, me and him worked close together. He bugged me to get into the cryptocurrencies, into Bitcoin, and I said, nah, it's a scam. There's no way the government's gonna ever let, you know, this currency dominate like the bank's currency. This is what I said at the time. So anyway, we never did it. But at the time, okay, Bitcoin was trading at, I believe it was 25 cents. So at the time, if me and my, you know, business partner would have invested just $1,000 each at that time, today, at the current price of the Bitcoin, we would each have $58 million each. Now, I know you probably don't believe me, but I'm telling you the truth. This was back in 2011. He bugged me for 2 months, and I just kept saying, no, I'm not getting involved in that. It's like an HYIP, you know, a high yield investment, whatever they're called, you know, scam. I thought it was a scam. I thought it was a bubble, a scam. Well, look what's happening today. Bitcoin went to $20,000. We could have bought like how many coins? You know, 10,000 coins each or something. We would have had like $60 million each today. And I wouldn't be just shooting this video today and telling you about it if it wasn't true. If it was true, you know. Crazy world. It's kind of like the same story of the guy who back in 2010, a year before that, which I never heard about that story then, but he bought 2 pizzas, okay, for, I don't know, $20 worth of Bitcoin or something. I don't know. It was trading under a penny then, okay, the Bitcoin. He gave the guy like 10,000 Bitcoins, or I don't know how many he gave him, 20,000, you know, for 2 pizzas, and that guy would have been worth 140 or 150 million dollars today. So anyway, for those of you who, you know, don't believe in the Bitcoin, I don't know. If I were you, I'd wake up and check it out, because you never know. It could make you filthy rich. So anyway, I just wanted to leave you with that. I'm kicking myself today. Oh, am I kicking myself today? $60 million I could have had today. But I don't have it. Here I am shooting this ForeXPipSnager video. But I still love Forex, and I still love futures, and I still like to trade Forex and futures. But if you want to make some serious coin, you might want to look into those Bitcoins, because there's not just Bitcoins, there's over 1,000 other coins that you can trade. Okay, but I'll just tell you that it's not easy to buy these coins. Okay, it's like, it is a pain in the ass. So anyway, I'm just going to leave you with that thought. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week on Tuesday. Have a great weekend.